Welcome back my YouTube channel Auto TATA TV. The Suzuki Mehran 2025 continues the legacy of one of Pakistan's most iconic and affordable cars. Known for its simplicity, reliability, and low maintenance costs, the Mehran has been a staple on the roads for decades. While it was officially discontinued in 2019, its name remains powerful, and the 2025 version, whether as a concept or a revamped return, has stirred excitement across the automotive community. The new iteration retains the essence of the original while embracing modern upgrades to appeal to a new generation of drivers. It continues to be a symbol of practicality for daily commuting and urban use. The 2025 model of the Suzuki Mehran comes with subtle but important updates. While the boxy exterior shape and compact dimensions stay largely the same to maintain its identity, the car has been refreshed with sleeker headlamps, a redesigned grille, and slightly more aerodynamic lines. The interior, once known for its basic functionality, now boasts upgraded materials, a digital infotainment system, and improved seat comfort, without drifting far from its minimalist roots. These updates make the car more in tune with today's expectations while keeping it affordable and accessible to the masses. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki Mehran offers improved fuel efficiency and slightly more power, thanks to a refined 800cc engine that meets updated emission standards. While it's not a performance car by any means, its lightweight and nimble handling still make it ideal for crowded city roads and tight parking spots. Some variants may also feature basic safety enhancements like ABS brakes and driver airbags, features that were absent in older versions but are now becoming essential even in entry-level cars. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. What truly sets the Mehran 2025 apart is its enduring reputation for low-cost ownership. Spare parts are still widely available across Pakistan, and mechanics in every town know this car inside out. Whether you're a student looking for a first car, a small family needing a reliable second vehicle, or someone simply searching for a no-frills commuter, the Mehran remains an attractive choice. Its resale value also continues to be strong, driven by its popularity and simplicity. The Mehran has always stood for more than just transportation. It's a cultural icon, deeply rooted in Pakistani society. Generations have learned to drive in it, countless businesses have relied on it, and its presence is still felt in every corner of the country. With the 2025 model, Suzuki seems to honor that legacy while acknowledging the future. It's not just a car, it's a story of mobility, accessibility, and practicality, values that are more relevant now than ever. Whether it's nostalgia or necessity driving its comeback, the Suzuki Mehran 2025 is a reminder that sometimes, simplicity wins.